Welcome back. This is Breezing Through, and I'm Emily. If you are new here, I have created a bunch of digital downloads that are available on my website. There's a number of free downloads, and then there are a bunch of other ones that are available for purchase that are $5 each. And I've created these over the years, mostly for my daughter. She is 9 and she's autistic. And over time, we've just discovered that there are certain things that we've needed either in our home or like a social story or just like learning how to do a life skill, just things that we thought that we should have available. Well, today I'm going to show you all the different ones that we have up in our home. So I years ago bought a laminating machine. I think they're $20, maybe $30. And then you can get laminating pages that I print stuff off and then I laminate it and I put it on the wall. And they're all over our house. We have them in the laundry room. We have in our family room, kitchen area. You can actually see her chore charts right here. We have them in my daughter's room, on her door, in her bathroom. So I'm going to walk you through all the different ones that we have that we use on a regular basis. And I will say I love these, and I love having my own laminating machine because that means that when I need to update things, I can just quickly update it and then print out a new one and do a laminating machine, run it through the laminating machine and put it on the wall. So for instance, like her choice boards for her closet, those get updated once or twice a year, depending on how quickly she's growing. And so when I need to update those, it's super easy to do that. So this is going to be a quick video. I'm just going to walk you through all the different ones that we have up, what we use them for, how often we use them, and then I will link all of them for you so that you can shop them yourselves. Let's get started. This is a brand new download that I am sharing with you today. So this is the chore list along with the daily chore list that we have for our daughter. If she wants to play the switch that we have, she has to complete all of the chores on her chore list and 2 of the daily chore list items. These are outside of usual expectations of things that she should be doing, like putting her laundry in the laundry basket or putting her dishes in the sink. And it's also things that are age appropriate and things that I'm trying to do to help her with daily life activities. The version that I have put on the site that is available for a download is a little bit more generic than what I have on our wall, but it's super helpful. And because I've laminated it, my daughter can check off things that she has done. And then when we are done for the day, we can wipe it off and reuse it again later. Then we have the summer activities lists, which are also on my site as free downloads. These are just things that can either be done independently or that may need a little bit of help with, like painting, for example. That definitely needs some supervision. But that way, if my daughter comes to me and says, I'm bored, I can say, well, go check your list. Or if she is clearly bored and doesn't say anything to me about it, I can say, hey, why don't you go pick an activity from your summer activities list and decide what you're gonna do. The next thing is the how to do a load of laundry life skill. I've taken all of the things from this download that I created and I put them on the wall in our laundry room. That way, when my daughter does come downstairs and she is doing a load of laundry, which happens probably about once a week at this point with a lot of encouragement, she can look at these and reference them and know what she needs to do in order to do a load of laundry. On the wall next to the closet in my daughter's room, we have her choice boards, which have all of the different options she has for getting dressed in the morning. I update these probably twice a year, just basically when there's a big overhaul of clothes. I actually need to do an update because I just went through her closet and took a bunch of stuff out and got her a few new things. I also created this lost item checklist for my daughter that we have in her room on the wall for her to go through when she has lost something. This walks her through the steps of how to look for a lost item and also gives her all of the things that she needs to do before she can come ask someone for help. On the wall in my daughter's shower, I actually have the steps for bathing on her own. This was a life skill that I created that is also on my website as a download. The last thing is the visual schedule board that I created, and I have this in a child version, a teen version, and an adult version, and all 3 of them actually also come in English and Spanish. The schedule boards have tons of different options for activities and places to go and things that everybody needs to do throughout the day, again, whether it be for a child or an adult. These were actually developed with the help of my autistic brother, who really helped me figure out the best things to have for each age range. These are great for kids that really need to be able to see what's happening throughout the day, that struggle with not having structure. They're great for summertime when there isn't a lot of structure, and it also gives kids the opportunity to help participate in what they're doing throughout their day. So that's it. Those are all the ones that we have in the house at the moment. I will say the visual schedule board is the one that we have been using the least recently, but I will likely be using it again more now that school is out and she doesn't have as much structure. Usually she's in a summer school program at her school for the first month of summer, but they're not doing it at her school this year. So we opted not to do it at all, just because she isn't familiar with one of the schools they're doing it at. So hopefully we'll be using it more. But yeah, that's it. You can find all of these on my website under the shop tab. And like I said, some of them are free, some of them are $5. There's nothing over $5 on my site. So if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe so you can see more videos like it in your feed. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.